Hello guys! Just bought myself a new microphone, which is a Sudotack ST-800. Let's take a look at what's inside, shall we? Here we go! And inside there are two layers. One which includes a sponge for the microphone and an excellent pop filter for pop noises like P and B. And layer number two, we have an excellent user manual, which you can pause if you like to read it, which tell you everything you need to know, really. Yes. And you have an arm, which is quite light. My guess it's made from aluminium. Yeah. We have two pieces of cardboard locks you can strap your cables to secure it to the arm. USB cable with an excellent ferrite or noise suppressor. Metal arm holder for a table. You can see it can accept quite thick tables. And you also lock the arm in place with this. And then you have this excellent suspension mount for the microphone. So if you touch the arm, the sound of the touching will not interfere with the microphone. And you just open it by pressing these two clamps and insert the microphone. And then the goody thing, the microphone itself. Look at this nice logo on front. Because this is a directional microphone, it's only pick up sounds from the front, not from the top and not from the back. Only from the top, from the front. So it's important that you face the logo forward when you speak to it. Yes, that was what's in the box. Let's take a closer look at it, shall we? Here we have the sponge, which is supposed to fit over here. This is a really tight fit, at least when you do it the first time. And here we go. Looks nice and yeah, cushy. Let's do a quick look inside the microphone, because it's quite easy to open. You just unscrew the cap at the bottom. This is a quite heavy piece of metal. You pull off the holster, which hopefully you can see here. It's a notch over the logo, because you can only put it one way around. You cannot put it the other way, it will not lock. You have to click, there you go. So, if you take a look at the circuit board, if I make my next focus, even with the new software, it's a little hard. Okay, this. And here we go. We can see that this is an excellent circuit board, professionally made. And you can see some fabrication name on it as well. It's a very high sampling rate. I will provide details for that later. Yeah, looks excellent. And again, this notch fits only one way around. And you can see, no, maybe not, but on top here there is this notch locking. So, Sudotack microphone, excellent piece of microphone kit. Highly recommended. It's really good. The table clamp has, like I told you, a big screw which accepts, like this, a thick table. First, let's screw it to the table. It is very solid, very firm and nice. Then again, the arm, of course, fits like this, and you can secure it like this, and then everything is nice. Fantastic, eh? And for so little money, I am amazed. On the tip of this arm there is a small brass threaded something, and this fits, of course, like fantastically nice with this. So you just screw it on. Yes. Just keep turning until it reaches the bottom, and then you can just turn it a little more, and everything is firm and nice. And then, let's see if I can move this a little bit further away here. And then we can insert this nice microphone into the holder by pressing it and pushing it inside. Here we go! Look at this, looks amazing. And of course you can put it any way you want. Upside like this, or down like this. Yep. Anywhere you like, really. Remember, the logo must face you when you speak to it. Then, the next nice thing is this pop filter, which you have between you and the microphone to avoid the p, p and b, b. This has a nice mechanism, which also is a screw, which you just fasten to the arm, like this. And here we go. And then you just bend it in place, just in front of you, if I can make this one stand for itself. And then you have this nice pop filter in front of the mic. P. Excellent. I think it's fantastic. For the small money you pay for this. Amazing. And everything is in one package. You don't need to buy anything more. That is one of the best things with this. And then you have the cable, which has one USB for the computer and one USB for the top of the microphone. Let me see which way around. Oh. The microphone has a USB socket like this, and of course the plug has the same, so you just put the two together. It only fits one way around. Yes, and the cable is approximately 2 meters long, which could be good to know. Let's see if I manage to do this. Yes, I would say around 2 meters. So let's connect the microphone and let's listen to how it sounds. And now these nice velcro strips come in handy, because now we're going to stick it to the arm of the microphone. Like this, and one more at the end of the arm. And there we go. You can of course tighten this better if you like, but all in all. Just need a computer. Okay, then we are ready to test the microphone. Just look at this amazing nice details on it. You have the pop filter arm and the pop filter and everything. Looks really good. If I can make it to focus, there we go. Yes, so let's take this USB and put it into the computer. Let's see. I managed to put it the right way around. Oh, and here we go. Look at this. Okay, when we put in the USB into the computer will recognize the microphone at once, and you will get a new line in here. There we go. And it says Uhuru microphone. So now we know it is connected and everything is working. And I will do a test recording with this microphone. Now we are recording via the microphone from Sudotack, and I will put it the voiceover afterwards. I'm not so good at this, but I'm practicing, so please be gentle with me. Look at the box, nice one. Everything is in the box. Microphone. You have this sponge for yeah, I don't know, wind noise, and you have the nice pop filter. So now I'm speaking just directly into the microphone. The rest of the recording we have done today is by this Canon G7X G Mark III with internal microphone, no external. So let's see how this goes. And if you're happy with it, I will provide links for the microphone down below so you can find it on Amazon. And hopefully you will be like me, very happy with it, because I love it a lot. I must say, it's a lot of microphone for the money. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and check it out on Amazon. Excellent microphone. See you. Bye.